welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how you can create white borders for your images so you can put them into Instagram and have images with white borders. Now, Instagram likes 1:1 ratio or 4:5 ratio. Now, this is really straightforward inside Photoshop, and I'm constantly getting asked how I put white borders on my images. So I'm going to show you how today. It's really straightforward. Click on the crop tool, which is up here. We then need to select our crop ratio. So I'm going to start with 4:5, and you'd enter it into here. So you'd literally just enter in 4:5, and then it brings up this crop tool. So you can then resize this, and depending on what your background color is, that's what this background color is going to be. So it's really simple. So that is centered. That is the crop tool for 4:5. So if you wanted to do it 1:1, so you wanted to have a square, then let's jump over to this other image. We would then go back up to here to the crop aspect ratio, and we would enter in 1:1, and then we can drag this out. Let's zoom out. We can drag this out and create our white border. It really is as simple as that. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.